Because they send out basically shitty messages that, what do you want? Nothing, I just want to share it with you. The framework is what people get wrong. You then have value to give for free in outreach. You get lost in the noise. When you develop the muscle, this turns into 1,000 messages. Content is the foundation. Content, as I said, is not for distribution, it's for conversions, okay? Then the next pillar, okay, the next pillar is outreach. Outreach. Now, what people often get wrong with outreach is that they just message people telling them about what their services is, right? Some version of a pitch, okay? But if you have amazing content or any content, you then have value to give for free in outreach. Because then you outreach with, look, I've got this guide that I've written, or I've got this book that I've got. What do you want? Nothing. I just want to share it with you. People love free stuff. So if we think about the rule of 100, 100 pieces of content, right? And then 100 messages, okay? So you send that 100 pieces of content, and one of them must be one big long thing, and then you have lots of short things. So that would be, hey Deepak, I noticed that your office manager, I wanted to share with you this video that we put together. Send that to 100 people. And then your profile on LinkedIn might say that, hey, you know, I'm an event planner. And then you do the rule of 100. You send out 100 personalized messages. Not automated, personalized, using the content that you built. When you develop the muscle, this turns into 1,000 messages, because sometimes that's what it takes. Content is the foundation. Then the mechanism is outreach. What doesn't get measured doesn't get managed. It's, again, another principle. When you begin to measure stuff, you begin to manage your progress. Content is great because it gives you immediate feedback in the form of analytics. Because you're the only person with a 3-hour video. You're the only person with a really good guide. You're the only person doing a seminar that you do once every 2 months. I'm going to do a free event once every 3 months. I'm going to bring a video person in because I wanted to produce the content. Then it's going to go either to Angus or some video directors, editors, and then I'm going to pass it on to my social team to begin to distribute content. Posting with fancy written quotes, all of that stuff is, I believe it to not be effective anymore. So you incorporate personal with professional into your content. You commit to the 100 pieces of content, and that can all happen in one day effectively if you do 1 4-hour day where you're going to put everything up and turn it into a bit of an event. We've got something that's actually pretty good to share with people. The framework is what people get wrong, because they send out basically shitty messages that don't really create any differential value, and you get lost in the noise. Giving or producing content will allow you to think about creating an irresistible offer. Meaning, what is it that I can do within my service that really, really helps people? That really is compelling as an offer, something that truly sounds great. If you go to our lead generation website, you'll see we'll book you 20 calls in 30 days. We have, our most recent client that we signed was TikTok to do lead generation for them to grow. They're competing in the LLM space. They like the hook because we had more of a unique offer than anyone else who just says we do lead generation services. So you've always got to think about what you do in respect of your competition. And if it sounds the same, how can you be different? As long as you're honest and ethical and you have integrity, then you'll be fine. Do things that don't scale. So do manual stuff to understand what truly works. I sell marketing services. I'm a lead generation business, and we specialize in booking 20 sales qualified leads for your company within 30 days. Would that be something you'd be interested in? You see the difference. They begin with content. Because then if you're playing the commodity game, content is a great way to also scale differentiation, because people see all your stuff online. The content carries so much of what we do, because that's the way to scale myself and our company. And then people come to the calls pre-qualified because of the stuff that they've seen. So I'd say that you can use any automation, but I would hesitate from people doing it in the beginning. I wouldn't do it personally. The stuff that I'm doing with my new business right now, I don't do any automation. I always start manual. I do manual, I figure out the way, and then I begin to apply automation to it. Because I've done it the other way before, and I've banned LinkedIn account, I've done loads of stuff that it's just messed up.